Hello, I'm Cecilia Ho. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a delicious dessert that is almost completely fat-free and very low in sugar. We're going to make banana mousse with a tropical fruit salsa to go with it. We're starting off with banana, so just a nice ripe banana. This is a low-fat yogurt. Okay, what is good about yogurt is all the probiotics that it contains. Okay, so good for your digestive system. We're also going to add a little bit of brown sugar. If you find that it's already sweet enough for you, you can even leave out the sugar altogether. And some freshly squeezed orange juice, right, for extra taste. About 30 milliliters, so that's about the juice of half an orange. And this goes into the blender. I'm going to add gelatine to this recipe to help it to set in the fridge later on. So I'm going to start off with water. Just at the room temperature, I'm having about 2 tablespoons of water. And then what we need to do is to actually bloom the gelatine. You do this by actually sprinkling the gelatine over the water. I'm using about 1.5 teaspoons of gelatine. So it's good to sprinkle it. That way it will absorb more liquid. And just let it sit for a while. I'm going to blend my ingredients now. At this stage, it will make quite a nice smoothie as well. Yeah, I'm going to finish off adding the gelatine. So now what you can see is that it actually formed a sponge. The gelatine absorbed the water. So I will melt this down with a little bit of boiled water. So about 2 tablespoons. We just need enough to melt the gelatine down. Yeah, so dissolve the gelatine. And then I will just add it back into the blender. Okay, you can present it in different ways. Today I will have some that is presented in cups, okay, and also this little jelly molds. So this recipe is enough for 4 portions. And just pour it into the cups. So this mousse would have to sit in the fridge for about 2 hours. You can even set it overnight, so it is something good that you can prepare a day in advance for your party the next day. So to make a nice accompaniment for the mousse, I'm going to make a very simple and easy fruit salsa. I'll start with a kiwi fruit. Okay, kiwi fruit is one of the wonder foods or superfoods. As it has the highest content of vitamin C. For a salsa, we need the fruits to be quite finely chopped. So nice and neat dices. The nice red strawberries. Lastly, I will add some orange. So we have the red, green and orange colors. Orange, as everybody knows, is very high in vitamin C as well as fiber. I'm going to drop just a little bit of honey. Okay, it's just to add a little bit of sweetness as well as make something that can bind it together. So about 1 teaspoon of honey is more than enough. I'll show you 2 ways to plate it up. Okay, one is where you actually just keep it in the cup. Very easy and simple to serve. You can just scoop up your salsa on top. Very colorful. And let's do a little bit of mint. Okay, choose from the top leaves, it's the most fragrant. For the second one, I will unmold it from my jelly cup. So insert the knife and just let it fall away from the cup. There you go. You can scoop your salsa around. Have a little bit of extra green on the plate. And there you go. Banana mousse with a tropical fruit salsa.